What's up, everyone? It's your girl Deja. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm so excited because I am doing my empty, unfurnished apartment tour. So it is nothing in here. I live in a 1-bedroom. I just moved in. So I want to show you guys what it looks like with nothing in it so that when I do decorate and get all of my furniture, I can do my full apartment tour. But I think it's just nice sometimes seeing what the apartment just looks like beforehand. And I want to take you guys along this whole apartment journey with me, going like shopping, doing a finishing tour. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any suggestions of videos and content ideas. But I'm so excited about this to show you guys. Also, follow me on my Instagram to stay updated with me. I post different things on there as well. But without further ado, let's get into this video and make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, welcome to my apartment tour. So when I first come in, I have this closet where I can just hang some things up. I'll probably put like my jackets up in here, maybe some shoes, but it has a decent amount of space. I can always add some bins just to really utilize the storage up there. But I typically have a lot of things. I'm definitely going to be utilizing this closet. So that's when I first come in, and then after that we enter the living area and kitchen. So it has really nice floors that I love. Gets pretty good lighting here. As you can see, there is a window right there. Have my light switch, then there's some outlets on the wall, and then right here is just another closet with, I believe this is a water heater right here. So that's what this looks like, and honestly, I probably am going to use this for storage as well. I can put some bins down there with like shoes or something maybe, but I'm definitely going to be utilizing all of my space. It's not like I could use that much in here, but I feel like this little area right there I can definitely utilize. So turn that light off, and then this is where I can control the temperature in here. So let's close that. That was a little loud, but here is the kitchen area. So the kitchen area is really nice. So it does have this right here. So I could add some chairs to give it like a little, I guess, what's it called, like a bar feel, if that's the right wording. But yes, this kitchen is really nice. I definitely think I will add some chairs here. I feel like maybe 2 could fit, but we'll see as time goes on. I don't have to, but I think that could be a really nice touch for the kitchen. And here is the beautiful kitchen. Like, I love this kitchen. It's definitely new and renovated. The other units aren't as renovated as this one, and this is one of the huge differences. They changed the cabinets, but I love the countertops here. I guess this is marble. It has plenty of spaces for utensils. Let's see, the drawers, pretty long. And they don't like make a ton of noise when you close it and open it, which is great. But I am so excited to cook in this kitchen. It's definitely nice. And look at this. This is wonderful. The stove. I love a stove like this. This is what I'm used to cooking with now, because my other apartment had a stove just like this. But love the stove. Then there's a microwave. There's me here. And there's more space at the top as well. So I definitely have a good amount of space for my utensils. And then as we turn around, this is where the sink is. I do have a dishwasher, which is really nice. Trying to figure out how to open it. I'll worry about that later, but there is the dishwasher. Things are hard to open sometimes with my nails, so I don't want to just struggle on camera. But yes, it has more cabinets over here. Let's open these up. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I have lots of room. And even the sink, I love this sink because it is deep. So I can have lots of room to wash my dishes. And it has this as well, which is wonderful. Then there's another outlet there with a light switch. Here is the fridge. The fridge is so nice as well. Let's open it. This is what it looks like. I have a lot of room for a freezer. Let's see if there's like an ice maker in here or anything. I think I'm gonna have to like get something for my ice, but that is okay. And then this is what the fridge looks like. I love the storage in here. Definitely can help keep it organized. And I've seen people like on TikTok still buy things for their fridge to really keep it organized. I may look into that. I definitely want this place to be organized and clean. And so when I like have things that need to be empty out, it will be super easy. But yes, as I leave the kitchen, this is just what the living area looks like. It's definitely going to be interesting trying to see where I want to put the couch and my TV. So we're gonna see how that works because a TV could go like over here. To me, this makes the most sense where the TV will go, but at the same time, like the door is there. So we'll see. I'm gonna figure out where I wanna put it. Could go there, could go against that wall, could go there, or I could put the TV on this wall and put the couch over here and just leave enough space for the door. We'll see. I'm going to figure that out. But as I keep on walking, here is my bedroom. And my bedroom, you guys, is pretty big. So it's interesting. The hardwood continues and then it goes into carpet. But this is what the bedroom looks like. It is pretty spacious. Have another window there. And you guys, this is what I wanted. This is why I really like this unit, because it has an in-unit washer and dryer, which is pretty hard to find actually. And this was just save me money and like in terms of having to go and wash somewhere else. A lot of apartments, they will have washers and dryers on site, but you still have to pay, and it's very limited, and sometimes they're not as clean. So this is nice. It is, I guess, a smaller one, but honestly, since it's in my place, it will be fine. And it seems like this will be a pretty good brand. It is Samsung. This one seems kind of high tech. I don't know compared to my other ones, but this, yeah, it has very dry, more dry, normal dry, less dry, damp dry. Like there's different forms of dry, but I guess that's just in terms of the minutes. But I'm definitely excited to use this. I'm gonna open it again to like really see how much space. It's a decent amount of space in here. I'm just used to like my washers and dryers being like on the ground and then you open it from the top, but this one you open it this way. So that's interesting. But yeah, and then here is my closet. Let's see if this works. Yes, so this is my closet area, decent size. I am used to a walk-in closet because my last apartment had it, but this is okay. We're just gonna have to find storage. So this is what it looks like. Let me step back a little. It does continue through. So here, this is where like I'm gonna put my hangers and stuff, and then down there just kind of stops. So I'm thinking of probably getting something right here, like either like a skinny dresser or something that I can like just use this extra space to put things in. Something with drawers I feel like would be great. Drop suggestions in the comments below for like anything that I'm talking about. But yes, this closet is pretty decent. Like I feel like some closets, this would be it. So I'm glad that it does have that little extra space there. Just want to turn off the lights. And I do have my own bathroom. So this is what the bathroom looks like. It does make a noise with the light on, which I hate. So I'm just gonna try to show you guys. I'm probably gonna just have to be quiet because of the noise it's gonna make, but this is what the bathroom looks like. It's actually not as loud, but my toilet, my sink, then I have some more space down here. But yeah, I may go ahead and change out my shower head. We'll see. Then that's where the toilet paper can go. I do really like that it has a linen closet. This is great. I already have like ideas off of Pinterest how I want to organize this, but I'm definitely going to get lots of bins so I can just organize my towels and my hair products. And I feel like this is perfect because I have a lot of hair products because I switch my hair up a lot. So this is definitely wonderful. Let's close that and get out of here and turn off this light. But yes, y'all, this is my apartment. This is what it fully looks like. I do have a door here, so if I want to close my bedroom door, that's what it looks like. But it's definitely a ton of room. This is just so interesting to me how this stops. I may put a rug here or something, but we will see about that. But I definitely have lots of space in here. And then that's what it looks like when I come out of it. But yes, this is the end of the apartment tour. All right, guys, that is the end of this tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so excited to move into my space and furnish it and decorate it. Let me know again in the comment section below if you guys have any suggestions now that you guys saw the place. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you guys. Bye.